I'm Joe Indaviro with Coulter Urban, and welcome back to the island at West Bay. I'm standing here on the 21st floor with just 4 more floors to top out at the island. From here, you can truly appreciate the panoramic views of the Gulf and Estero Bay that future residents will enjoy every day. As the tower continues to rise, progress is happening across every level, with a full team of trades on site each day with over 150 workers bringing the vision to life. Framing, drywall, flooring, and interior finishes are well underway on the lower floors, while windows, masonry, and stucco continue to climb the tower above. Here we are on the 19th floor in our 01 residence floor plan. With over 3,300 square feet, only 4 residents per floor with exceptional waterfront views throughout. The 01 offers direct western exposure for unforgettable sunset views every day. The 01 residents feature 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, expansive floor-to-ceiling glass, private elevator entry, and oversized terraces create a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle designed to fully embrace the waterfront setting. Welcome to the Sports Lounge, a one-of-a-kind amenity where residents can virtually tee off from the comfort of home. This interactive golf simulator offers course selections from around the world, allowing you to customize your level of challenge and practice experience. It's perfect for solo play, friendly competition, and social gatherings. Just steps away, you'll also find the outdoor putting green for additional practice and enjoyment. Let's go check out the fitness center. The fitness center features state-of-the-art cardio and strength training equipment designed to support a full range of wellness and training routines. Residents of the Island at West Bay Club will enjoy an elevated collection of amenities throughout the community. At the heart of the lifestyle is Aqua at the Bay House, offering resort-style pool experiences and waterfront relaxation, along with the Niblet, a vibrant social hub for dining, gathering, and connection, combined with a rooftop pool and spa experiences at the island. Residents also will enjoy full access to the broader West Bay Club lifestyle: championship golf, private beach club, tennis, pickleball, dining, wellness, and more. Thanks for following along as the Island at West Bay Club continues to rise. We look forward to sharing more progress as we approach structural topping out. Until then, thank you for watching as we bring Estero's newest luxury condominium tower to life. I'll see you next time.